When you're busy, you don't want watering to hold you up. With a tap timer, you can simply set when, where, and how long to water. You can keep your garden healthy and happy, even when you're away from home. Day or night, your plants get the water they need when they need it. It's also easy to connect it to your irrigation or sprinkler system. And with a dual outlet, you can water different zones at different times. Plus, a tap timer saves you time, effort and water compared to watering with a hose. There are 3 types of tap timers: automatic, semi-automatic and manual. Here's how to choose the right one for you. Will you be home to turn the timer on and off? Great! You can use a simple manual tap timer. It's easy to use, doesn't need batteries and goes on your garden tap. Get started with Pope's 2-hour tap timer. Great! An automatic tap timer is for you. It's easy to program, uses a 9-volt battery and takes care of your watering even when you're away. Get started with Pope's 2-dial tap timer. Will you change up your watering? Go for an advanced automatic tap timer. It's easy to set with different zones, programs and run times. Get started with Pope's Easy Dial tap timer. Go for a semi-automatic advanced tap timer. It's easy to program with adjustable watering times. Get started with Pope's low-pressure single outlet tap timer. How many zones are you watering? A single outlet timer is great for watering one zone. Get started with Pope's Snapshot tap timer. You'll want a tap timer with 2 to 3 independent outlets. You can even choose different days to water, which is handy when there are water restrictions. Get started with Pope's dual outlet low pressure timer. It's great for drip irrigation. Now you know which tap timer is right for you. Find yours today at Pope.